Hello and welcome. Have you ever wondered how to turn your passion for personal finance into a money-making YouTube channel? If so, you are in the right place. Today, I will show you exactly how to monetize a personal finance YouTube channel. It is easier than you think. Let us dive in. The first step is to create content that resonates with your audience. You want to provide value, right? So, start by focusing on topics that help people manage their money. Share tips on budgeting, saving, investing, or paying off debt. Make sure your content is easy to understand, interesting, and actionable. The more helpful your videos are, the more people will want to watch and subscribe to your channel. Once you have built up some content and gained a following, it is time to apply for the YouTube Partner Program. This program will allow you to earn money from ads shown on your videos. But there are a few requirements before you can apply. You need at least 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in the past 12 months. Once you meet these requirements, go to your YouTube studio, click on Monetization, and follow the steps to apply. When you get approved, YouTube will start showing ads on your videos. This can bring in a steady income. But that is not all. There are other ways to make money from your channel. One great method is affiliate marketing. This is when you promote a product or service in your videos and earn a commission when someone buys through your link. For a personal finance channel, you can promote financial products like budgeting tools, investment platforms, or credit cards. Just make sure the products you recommend align with your audience's interests and needs. Another way to make money is through sponsorships. As your channel grows, companies might reach out to you to sponsor your videos. These companies will pay you to mention their products in your content. Just like with affiliate marketing, it is important to choose sponsors that make sense for your audience. Be transparent with your viewers, and always share products you genuinely believe in. And remember, consistency is key. Keep making great content, engage with your audience, and stay patient. Monetizing a YouTube channel takes time, but with the right strategy, it can be a profitable venture. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. This way, you will always be updated with more tips to grow and monetize your YouTube channel. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.